Smart warehouse systems integrate various technologies to create an automated ecosystem. Goods are received, identified, sorted, organized, and shipped with minimal errors. The best solutions automate nearly the entire operation, from suppliers to customers, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. When considering smart warehousing, look for traits like accuracy, scalability, and data visibility. These characteristics ensure that your warehouse can adapt to changing demands, provide real-time insights, and maintain high operational standards. Key technologies in a smart warehouse include robotics, radio frequency identification, RFID, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT. A warehouse management system, WMS, is crucial as it gathers data and manages processes, ensuring efficient day-to-day operations. Start small with a WMS to automate standard operating procedures. This system provides a cloud platform for all stakeholders. Once the WMS is in place, integrate warehouse robotics like smart conveyors and automated guided vehicles. This completes the smart warehouse solution, offering real-time stock status and efficient operations. Digitalization is key to transforming labor-intensive tasks into systematic, scalable processes.